Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nomhletolwan Mamkizistuk. I'm born again and I love Jesus Christ. Anything in this channel, please subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Okay, guys, I am here to tell you the reason you don't grow spiritual. I'm here to tell you the real reason you don't grow spiritual. You always remain in the same place. Uyabona abantu bayakhula spiritually nabaye basindiswe emva kwakho bayakhula spiritual bakushiye kanjalo wena. So this is the reason. Number one, let me say God came and he gave you a vision. You don't understand the meaning of the vision, right? Yes, let me say you don't understand the meaning of the vision. Well, now, instead of going back to the Lord, asking the meaning of that vision, you're gonna go to someone else and ask the meaning of the vision. You won't grow spiritual because you don't know how to communicate with the Lord. Yes. Even if you know how to pray, but if you don't go back to the Lord after he gave you the vision or the dream and ask him the meaning of that dream, which means you don't know how to communicate with him. Guys, if God has given you a vision, make sure that you write that vision down and pray about that vision. Ask the Lord to reveal the meaning of that vision or to reveal the meaning of that dream. And if he doesn't reveal the meaning, maybe for 2 days, go to fasting, seek him. Because isizathu sokubathule ufuna wena uzimisele ngokumfuna, ufuna ubuso bakhe. Wathi uMoses kuThixo, wathi Nkosi bendingena kubona ubuso bakho na? Waphendula uThixo wathi akekho obona ubuso bami abuye aphile. Wathi kodwa ndizokubonisa umqolo wami. Wena umqolo kaThixo ubona nini xa uzawuthatha yonke into akunika yona uyinike the same person ukuthi makakubhekele ukuthi itsho ukuthini, ukuthi makakuvezele ukuthi itsho ukuthini, ukuthi makakucacisele ukuthi itsho ukuthini. You don't go back to the creator, the one who has given you the vision. Mamela ke. So uThixo njengoba ekunike la vision wangakunika meaning wakwenza wa-confused. He wants you to seek him more so that he can reveal himself to you. We understand? Umazi bhetele. Yaqo? Ngokwenza kanjalo ukhula spiritual. But if usoloko wenzelwa, you won't grow spiritual. And uThixo uzaziveza ngalendlela awufuna aziveze ngayo. Sawuthi abantu befika beba nama-testimony nama-encounter noThixo wena now because awuziniki ixesha to seek him. Uyabona xa engaphenduli, make sure ukuthi uya kwi-fasting. 3 days, 7 days fasting. Uzobona ukuthi uThixo uzoziveza kanjani kuwe. Naye enye yezinto abantu bangakhulu. Abantu abafuni ukwenza fasting. Umzimba wakho soloku uhlohle ukudla yonke lento uyadla awukwazi ukuthi ukuvimbe into zenyama. Ubhekane nezinto zikamoya uThixo uzozirevela kanjani kuwe because kuyafuneka ukuthi wenze fasting uphume ezintweni zomhlaba ubheke izinto zikamoya so that uThixo uzozirevela kuwe ngandlela zonke ngendlela futhi onofuna ngayo uThixo uzoziveza kuwe. So if you don't fast you won't grow spiritual. And also, if you fast, but you fast because someone told you to fast, you don't know the meaning of fasting, you don't seek direction from the Lord will not reveal himself to you. Isn't it the spiritual, but you seek direction from the Lord. Yeah, understand? Zininzi, even if awuna faith enough, or you won't grow spiritual. If awuna faith enough, you won't grow spiritual. Yeah, understand? Into endizama ukuyitsho apha, in order for you to grow spiritual, you need to be spiritually independent. Don't depend on the prophet. Don't depend on pastors. Don't depend on your brothers and sisters in Christ. Just depend in Christ himself. Uzobona. Uzokhula spiritual. Otherwise, if you don't seek the Lord yourself, no one will come and seek the Lord for you. No, it doesn't work like that. No one will come and seek the Lord for you. No one, guys. Guys, kule ndawo esikuyo, where we see, I'm able to interpret dreams, able to interpret visions. I am able to like ndenze prayer and hear the voice of God. Yes, long. Ndikwelo zinga spiritual because ndifuna yena uqobo. I seek the Lord. So when uzocinga ukuthi uThixo unama-favors, because when you still remain at the same place, awukwazi noku-interpreta amaphupho, awukwazi uku-interpreta the scriptures, kanti no, nguwe ozilimitayo. God has already given you that gift of interpreting the dreams, but awusebenzi nzima ukuthi la gift be activated. Every gift asinikayo uThixo, we need to activate it, guys. Ngokuthandaza, ngokufasta, and depend only to him. Mamela-ke, anditsho ukuthi kurongo ukubuza. No, akukho rongo. But suqala emntwini. Qala kuYehova lo okubonisa ntoni ivision. Then if umoya ongcwele akuxelela ukuthi iya kumprofeti ubanibani okanye iya kupastor banibani okanye iya kusister wakho in Christ ubanibani and ask her, ndizomxelela the meaning, unesizathu